What are we looking at here? 5 or 6 stocks that you might want to watch this week to make money. Here's the first one. Microsoft is a max list stock. You can see this base across here, all right? Has an earnings per share rank of 97. Composite rating's 87. Accumulation distribution is C. We would like to see some improvement in that, okay? Here's the weekly chart. You can say, oh, there is a cup formation and there's some accumulation in the right side of that cup. That's a positive. What would we want to see? And it's pretty simple, folks. Take out the tops of this bar, and I'm going to go back and fine tune it for you on the daily chart. Take out the top of that tail bar. What would it be? 433.70. You can say, how did you get that? Watch the H right here. Don't look at anything else but this right here. When I put my cursor on that bar, it's 433.60. You make it easy. What do we want? 10 cents over that, 433.70. But please note this. We will want to see good price action, good volume backing it up. Volume tells us other people see what we see and they're acting on it. And also a good market. That's something that we'll need. So there's AVGO is the first. That's Microsoft. There's the first one. Now we have AVGO, and you can see this is forming a couple with a handle. We own this down here. Okay, we bought more. We sold a little in the strength. It's just basing right here. It looks good. Here's the weekly chart, just so you can see low down. Oh, look at this. This is a cup and a handle formation, folks. These are the things that we look for. What would be our potential entry on it? Well, we'll make it easy for us. And again, the name of this company is Broadcom, but I always call it AVGO. Take out the tops of this bar, 14.45 and 50 cents. That's all, 14.45 and 50 cents. It will need good price action and good volume action and a good market. Earnings per share is 86, composite ratings 98, B minus accumulation distribution, relative strengths 92. That's how we build a case. Continue onwards. There's Micron building this base across here. This would be a more aggressive entry, but I have to point it out to you going across these tops. Let's go back to the daily. There we go. Doesn't that look better? This is why we look at both weekly and daily. You can see this nice base here. B plus accumulation distribution. Composite ratings 85. I prefer it to be 90 or higher, but here's the important part. Last quarter's earnings of 122%. Last quarter sales of 58%. You go, oh, that's pretty good. I've got more. This is even better. This year, they're looking for a 110% increase in earnings over last year. Next year, 1,700% increase in earnings next year over this year. Big institutions take note of that stuff, folks. We do too. And we use it to our benefit to find winning stocks and make money. So there's Micron Technology. Let's do another one, should we? There's Netflix forming a cup with a high handle. I like that. What would be a potential entry on this? Well, oh, by the way, yeah, this is a max list stock. Earnings per share rank 88, composite rating 99, relative strength 91, near new high ground. See the slight volume pickup here? Just take out the highs of this bar with volume. Could be a buy. What's the high on this bar? 652. Add a dime to it. 652 and 10 cents. That's simple. Nothing fancy. Strive for simplicity, folks. It really will help you. Focus on chart patterns. Need to back up here. One of my degrees is in psychology. Back up here, and I want you to think about this. Charts are a reflection of human emotions. Fear, greed, panic, complacency, and it's all reflected in the chart. Price and volume. It's not rocket science. We look for companies' charts that are being bought. They're accumulating it. Again, this has an accumulation distribution of B. It's being bought. Take out these tops here with volume. All right, what's the high on this bar? 652. As I said, 652 and a dime. There you go. Here's Eli Lilly. It ran up and tailed off, and then it ran up and tailed off again. Okay, take it to the weekly, which we'll do right here, and you can say, oh, look at that. Look at the accumulation in here. Isn't that neat? Take out the tops of this bar. I'm going to refresh this for you. Take out the tops of this bar right here. 820 and 70 cents. Go back. That's the weekly chart. Go back to the daily. The high on this bar is 820.60. 820 and 70 cents. That could be a potential buy. Let's move on. CrowdStrike, CRWD. I like the base on this. I'm going to show you something here that I think is kind of neat. Earnings per share rank 99, composite rating 98, timeliness A, B accumulation distribution. Relative strengths 97, leading into new high ground. Last quarter's earnings up 102%. You can see this base right here, slight volume pickup. If this could take out these tops here in a good market with volume, that could be a buy. These are things to look for.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.